Hi everyone, I hope you are fine and doing good. So today we are going to learn lesson number 1.5 and the name of the topic is indirect proof. Before starting the lesson, we should know what is indirect proof. So I am taking one example. For example, you are standing in a dark room. It's very dark, nothing is there and there is one bulb inside that one. You have to show that this bulb is not working. If this is dark, then bulb is not working, okay? But we will be taking just opposite and we are telling for the indirect proof, no, this bulb is working. Okay, I'm changing this one because this bulb is working. I am taking, so it means there should be light here, okay, but still now it is dark. Why it is still now dark? Because the bulb is not working. So we will say that our assumption was wrong, that bulb is working. So what is the correct one? Bulb is not working. So in the same way you are going to do this one. So first of all we are going to do question number 1. One more thing, all the question which you can see here, every question is being given in your book, okay? Nothing is changed. So question number 1, question number 6, question number 9, everything you are going to get in your book. So let's start here. So it is telling, if it is like this, then x must be less than equal to minus 2. So for the indirect proof, I will change this one. I will say let x is greater than 2. Now I will be putting this one in this equation. So let's start here. So I can write in place of x2. So 2 square plus 8 is less than equal to 12. Further solve it, it will give you 4 plus 8 less than equal to 12, or I can say 12 is less than equal to 12. Now here if it is equal, then it is correct. 12 may be equal to, or 12 is equal to 12, but 12 cannot less than 12. So here we are getting wrong answer. Why we are getting wrong? Because we have considered this one is wrong. So you will say which is wrong. So what is correct? So this implies x is always less than equal to my only 2, okay? In the same way we are going to do the next question. This time I will consider this is wrong, and if this is wrong, so what I will consider, let x is greater than 9, okay? Here always make sure minus 9 I am doing, okay? So put the values here, minus 2 into minus 9 minus 6 is greater than 12. Further solve is 18 minus 6 is greater than 12. So 12 is greater than 12. You know 12 cannot be greater than 12. They are same. So which is wrong? You will be writing again which is wrong. And why we are getting wrong? Because we have considered this wrong, okay? So what is the correct? This one is correct. So x is less than minus 9. I hope you all have understood. Now we are going to do the next question, okay? Next question is telling here that xy will be odd integer, then x and y both are odd integer. Before starting odd integer, I should know what is odd integer and what is even integer, okay? So any number like 1, 3, okay, 5, 7, 9, if last digit of any number is like this is odd integer. For example 57, so 7 is odd, you can see from here, so it is odd integer, okay? One more example I will take. Let us suppose I am taking 29. You can see 9 is coming from here, so it is odd integer. What is it even integer? If the last digit is 2, 0, 4, 6, 8, then it is even integer. For example 56, so 6 is even, so this one will be even, okay? Let's start here. I will consider just opposite here. What opposite? I will say that either x or y, one of them are even, okay? Let x is even. If it is even, so x I can write in the terms of 2 times of n. Any number which is even, it will be in terms of 2n. So I'm going to put the same here. So x times y, I can write 2n times y. I can write 2ny. Now you can see this ny is multiple of 2. This implies it is even, but according to the question it should be odd, this which is wrong. Okay, which is, and if it is wrong, what is the correct? This implies x and y both are odd. I hope you all have understood. Coming back to the next question. Question 13 is telling that there is an isosceles triangle. Now what is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle will be like this, that there will be two sides will be equal. This side is equal to this side. So let us suppose I am taking A, B, C. Because this is isosceles triangle, so this angle and this angle should be equal. So if I am telling this is A and this is B, then this one angle will be also A. Okay, now I know the sum of all sides should be equal to, sum of all angles should be equal to 180 degree. It means A plus B should be equal to 180 degree. It is telling in an isosceles triangle neither of the base angle can be right angle. Okay, so I am telling let A is equal to 90 degree. Contradict I am taking. So if A is 90 degree, so I will write 90 plus 90 plus B is equal to 180. So 180 plus B is equal to 180, which will be totally wrong because maximum it should be 180, and if I am adding something more, it means it is greater than 180. So 180 plus B will be greater than 180, which is wrong. I will be writing which is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because I have considered that base angle is right angle. So this implies base angle can't be right angle. And the last question for today, question number 15. Let's start here. It is telling that angle C is 100 degree. It's telling here it is 100 degree, and I have to show that this is not 90 degree. So let us suppose we will be doing just opposite. Let angle A is equal to 90 degree, and I am considering this one is B. As I know that angle A plus B plus angle C should be equal to only and only 180 degree, not more than this. But here if I am putting, so 100 plus 90 plus B is equal to 180, and which is clearly showing that it is 190 plus B, which is greater than 180, which is wrong. Okay, which is wrong because total should be 180, not more than this. Yes, so it means angle A, why it is coming wrong? Because this angle A is not right angle. Thank you everyone for watching this one. Have a nice day.